Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce us from group 3. We will present the result of our discussion about modals. My name is Dealita. Here I am as a moderator and my two friends will explain about this material. This on my left is named
Anui,
and the one of my right is Plenty
Zulfa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Definition: Modals is working aids the add to the main verb in a sentence. In more detail, modals in English is also called modal auxiliary verb. However, be, do, and have are excluded from the modal form under discussion. Its function to express willingness, ability, necessity, possibility. Type of modals: can, could, must, may, might, will, would, shall, should, and should. Type of modals: 1. Can. Definition: auxiliary verb is that which state the ability, possibility, permission, means can. Example: A. Ability: I can do anything if I want. B. Possibility: this coffee can be yours. C. Permission: can they join this party? Type of modal 2. Could. Definition: auxiliary verb the past tense of can, whose function is to both express ability, possibility, permission. Could mean can. Example A. Ability: Vestia could come here if she was busy. B. Possibility: the free cinema ticket could be ours if we come to the mall yesterday. C. Permission: could I join this game? Type of modal 3. May. Definition: auxiliary verb is that which the permission and probability. May is defined as possible. Example A. Permission: may I go to the supermarket with my friend Dad? B. Probability: she may here come today.
Type of modals. 4. Might. Definition: auxiliary verb is the past tense of the might which states permission and probability. Might interpreted as possible. Example: shape or probability: I might do this report alone if you didn't come. Type of modals. 5. Must. Definition: auxiliary verb which states a necessary and logical conclusion that the incident could have happened or even in the past, even in the present, and even the report must interpreted as must or sure. Example: A. Logical conclusion or even in the past. I don't see Mr. Prabowo he must have left early. B. Logical conclusion or even the report. Avita is always look healthy and slim. She must exercise a lot. Type of modal 6. Shall. Definition: auxiliary verb which word confirms future emphasis. Shall interpreted as can. Example: future emphasis: Mr. Basuki shall come tomorrow. Types of modals 7. Should. Definition: auxiliary verb which states a prediction, advice, and obligation. Example A. Prediction: if Mr. Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono met Mr. Jokowi the Palasa, the should talk about the stage. B. Advice: the student should study hard if they want to pass the examination. C. Obligation: if you found my book you should tell me. Types of modal 8. Will. Definition: will is auxiliary verb the future. Example: future I will go to the tomorrow. Types of modal 9. Would. Definition: auxiliary verb which states a factual condition possible, result, and probable change in the past result. Would interpreted as can. Example: A. Possible result: if we went to Bali, you would enjoy more our holiday. B. Probable things in past result. If Luffy had much money, she would have bought many things.
That's the presentation of our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.